Art tracks. What are they? Art tracks are partner-distributed audio for YouTube music. They are intended as the main iterations of tracks for YouTube music and live within YouTube on topic channels. These topic channels can be integrated into an artist's main YouTube channel by applying for an official artist channel. Art tracks monetize at a uniform rate, as opposed to UGC and Content ID claims, which have a variable rate based on the popularity of the videos. Here at Symphonic, our YouTube relationship requires clients participating in Content ID to also deliver their catalogs to YouTube Music. Subscribership for YouTube Music Premium continues to grow year over year and has become a large portion of revenue from the YouTube platform. Have any questions? Shoot us a message and ask away. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest music industry tips and insights to help you maximize your music.